something is a special. So today we're gonna use this much sugar. Yeah, it's a lot. I don't care. It's gonna taste good. Gonna mix the cinnamon with that sugar. Now watch me. There we go. Now to just mix it up with my spoon. Okay, so it turned out to be brown. Let me just add this in. This is how it turned out. I wish you were here right now because it is freaking brown. Look at this. You see this? That's brown. Now, I'm gonna set that right there. Put this spoon right there. Gonna pour the water. You know, I like my tea a little sweet, like the ladies. Yeah, I see you. Don't think I see you. I see you out there. I see you. I see you. But we are going to make this tea, and so let me just dunk it. Now, this is going to take a moment. I'm just going to, skip it. Okay, now we're back. It is, coming along very well. This is how it turned out. Turned out good. I just, ooh. It turned out good. So this is what we're gonna do. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna mix it. Okay, time to add the cinnamon and the sugar. It's a little bit dusty out here. I'll be here all Sundays. I see. Okay. I wish I had a hoverboard right now. I would do a dance for you, but we all know how that's gonna turn out. Hey, girls, if you find this interesting and you want to make a video with me, I'm looking at you, all of you. Just see me where you can find me, and just just ask me. And so we're gonna mix this tea. It is looking good. You see this? Okay, it is done. Let's do a taste test. Please, please, please hire me as your chef. I need money, man. Please hire me as your chef, man. Because this tea, what I just made, is magnificent. It's awesome. It tastes like Burger King. For anybody who likes Burger King. It tastes like McDonald's too for anybody who likes McDonald's. It tastes like any fast food restaurant. It's not greasy. Yeah, it is not greasy. But it is a little bit sweet, which is good. Gonna add a little bit of shug, aka sugar. So there we go. I'm just click that on and hey. Okay, so let me just fix this and yeah, that's the end of the video. Subscribe, like, and turn the notification bells on and get me views. Peace.